2011 Toyota 4Runner V6 4-wheel drive limited. Here's a hard to find 2011 4Runner, the newer body style 4Runner. This is a one owner, no accident vehicle, fully loaded out. It's got super cool looking upgraded 20-inch alloy wheels, and just a very, very nice vehicle. I'm just going to try to do a quick video walk around at this specific one, tell you exactly what this one is, the ins and outs of it, and just go all the way through. This particular one is the gloss black color, so just a super sharp looking painted vehicle. Moving up here to the front, it's in very, very nice shape. Front bumper and headlights are all in good shape. This one does have the front clear clip paint protection film, so it's kept this front end in excellent shape. All the paint just in great shape since whatever it hits, it just hits that plastic film and it won't hit the paint at all. So little scuffs and rock chips up here, but nothing to the paint. Very straightforward. Coming down the passenger side here, it's got a couple scratches. One right here, this is about 8 inches long. It would touch up just fine though. It's kind of below the line of sight, so you can't really see it very easily. A couple of little scuffs like that would buff out pretty easily. Out. You know, being black, it's going to show some more blemishes than normal, but nothing major for sure. One little scuff right here in the fender flare, but since that's plastic, that would buff out pretty easily. This is just a light little scuff that when they got too close to a bush or something, it would easily buff out. Pretty clean and straightforward. You know, a couple small things on the passenger side, nothing major. Moving up here to the hood and top end are all in good shape. No hail or anything like that. Coming down this the driver's side here. Once again, you have clear paint protection film there to help protect. Just very, very clean overall. A few little scuffs and scratches here, once again being black. None of these are into the paint though, so they would easily buff out. Scratches there. A few little scuffs down here, but once again, since it's plastic, it'll easily buff out. The bottom low corners here, they're in good shape. Rear hatch area is in good shape. Wind today, a little bit breezy. We have one little scuff right here. It would buff out those well. It's pretty low. As I mentioned, this is sitting on upgraded 20-inch alloy wheels. These are MB wheels. Looks like a very high quality wheel. They look brand new, as you can tell. There's just no really scuff or curb rash marks or anything like that. Sitting on good Bridgestone tires. They still have lots of tread left. Probably at least 60 or 70%, and then the wheels just really are something unique to this specific runner. You know, some people like them, some have looked at it, some people don't. But you know, every other 4Runner Limited is going to have the same wheel. So this one is just a little bit more unique, and I think really sets the look of this runner. So we'll go ahead and jump on the inside here. Give you a look at that. This is the black leather interior. So very sharp, being black outside, black inside. Of course, you have all your power locks and windows there. It does have the power outlet in the back. A couple more options there. This, of course, is the power seat. The seat and interior is in very, very nice shape. You know, just very, very clean. No rips or really even any major creasing or anything like that in the leather. You know, just a little bit of light creasing here like normal, but the edge is all in good shape. It's not ripped up or anything like that. And looking at the dash and steering wheel area here, of course you have all your steering wheel controls, Bluetooth controls, cruise control down there. Of course, a clean and clear dash, no lights on, nothing crazy going on. We'll do a quick key cycle, or I guess button cycle, because this is a push button start vehicle, and it does have the smart key, and it does have the factory Toyota remote start when you do the sequence with the smart key. So that's a nice upgrade as well. That came from the factory that way, so it works great. Push the button off, push the brake, push the button, and it starts right up. Really just runs great, sounds great, just fires and go. This is such a reliable drivetrain. Toyota's had this for years, and it just goes hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of thousands of miles. So this does have navigation as well as a backup camera. It does have Bluetooth, AUX, USB inputs if you want to play your music, as well as AM, FM, and satellite radio. Dual automatic climate controls. Your four-wheel drive selection there. Heated seats. This does have the rear Toyota sliding glass. That's kind of a cool perk that the 4Runners come with. But just very, very clean and straightforward up here. It does have a full-size sunroof, which of course works. So that's a nice thing as well. Like I said, it's pretty much a fully loaded Limited. It's got every single option on it. Seat here, it's in good shape, has all the mats, carpets are in good shape, seats are all in good shape, rear vent controls, and the rear cargo area. This one does have the third row seat, as you can see by the seat belts, and then these do pop up from below here, so it does have seating for up to 7, so that's super versatile as well. As I mentioned, it's got the rear power plug. Does have the JBL sound system, which is great, and very, very just spacious and well laid out back here. So, and looking at passenger rear seat, once again in good shape, just no major obvious wear anywhere. Passenger seat, it's in great shape. A little bit of light creasing once again on this side, but that's about it. Carpets are all in good shape. I'll go ahead and pop the hood here so we can take a look under there. This has the well-proven Toyota 4.0 V6, an engine that Toyota's had for a lot of years. It's a very well-proven engine. They literally go hundreds and hundreds of thousands of miles. Makes good power, and very smooth, very quiet, very good engine. And just like I said, just the reliability is one of the biggest thing on these. This is a timing chain engine, so no more worrying about timing belts, maintenance, or anything like that. And once again, under the hood here, just very clean and straightforward, nothing crazy going on. No funny wires or sounds or aftermarket things, so that's always a positive sign. So, if this vehicle is of interest, feel free to get in contact with me. It's Miles and Brad Beckman here at Eagle Care Autos in McPherson. Brad, he's my dad, he's the owner. We're just a small family dealership. We've been here about 20 years in McPherson. And love Toyota, love these 4Runners. This one's just in really nice shape, being a one owner. Just tells you what type of owner it was. It does have a little higher mileage at 150, but not really considering it's 10 years old. It's basically right at average, as well as a 4Runner. I mean, that's like halfway through being broken in. I mean, they go 200,000 or 300,000 miles before you are starting to get them broke in. I mean, 150,000 miles is nothing for one of these. So feel free to find us on our website, eaglecareautos.com. Get on our Facebook page. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to keep up to date there. And just feel free to get in contact with us and let us know how we can serve you in whatever way that may be. Thanks so much for watching.